If extraterrestrials ever arrived, they might not be interested in Earth at all. Have you ever considered that possibility? If an alien civilization can reach our solar system, what resources would they actually need? Water. A single icy moon contains 2 to 3 times the volume of Earth's oceans. Metals. One large metallic asteroid could supply humanity for thousands of years. Energy. A star's fusion output is practically limitless. The only thing truly unique on Earth is life itself. But here's the challenge. If a civilization has mastered interstellar travel, their biotechnology may have already reached extraordinary levels. They might even be capable of creating life from scratch. To them, Earth's organisms could be no more remarkable than wild grass by the roadside. So why would they find us special? Ironically, humans keep broadcasting signals into space. It's like ants crawling on the ground trying to get the attention of a passing human. Maybe the issue isn't that aliens don't exist. Maybe we simply haven't earned a response. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, co-initiated by radio astronomer Frank Drake, has been running for over 60 years. Yet we have received no definitive reply. According to the Drake equation, the Milky Way should contain at least hundreds of thousands of civilizations. But, in reality, after more than 6 decades of listening with the most advanced radio telescopes on Earth, the result is silence. So where did all the civilizations go? Scientists propose 4 possibilities, each more unsettling than the last. First possibility, a mismatch in time. Every civilization has a lifespan. Signals traveling between civilizations may take longer than the civilizations themselves survive. Human civilization has existed for barely 10,000 years. We have used radio for only about a century. On cosmic timescales, that is less than a blink. Even if the galaxy hosts hundreds of thousands of civilizations, the time windows in which each one exists may never overlap. A signal may travel at the speed of light, but across the galaxy that's still slow. Civilizations could easily go extinct before their messages ever arrive. It's like people living in completely different eras who can never communicate. Second possibility, self-destruction. Civilizations may encounter a critical crisis when advancing to a certain stage. Populations grow exponentially. Energy demands soar without limit. Ecosystems collapse under pressure. Social structures stretch like an overstressed bowstring. Once the tension exceeds the threshold, it snaps. Many civilizations may die off before ever leaving their home planet. Look at humanity. Nuclear weapons could destroy us within hours. Climate change continues to worsen. Extreme weather is becoming more frequent. Artificial intelligence accelerates beyond human understanding, and no one truly knows what future it aims for. Perhaps countless civilizations once reached this threshold. They believed they were on the brink of becoming interstellar. But one by one, they collapsed in the final moments before the breakthrough. They didn't even have time to send a call for help. Third possibility, deliberate silence. Scientists have proposed a chilling scenario. If the universe resembles a dark forest full of hidden threats, then any civilization that wants to survive must learn one rule: stay quiet. Revealing your position is equivalent to suicide. Even a faint signal could expose you to a more advanced civilization capable of eliminating you instantly. Thus, the civilizations that endure may be those that never transmit at all. They suppress anything that could reveal their presence, even planetary heat signatures or patterns of energy use. They camouflage themselves to disappear into the cosmic wilderness. Humans, however, just recently learned how to use radio. And we immediately began shouting into the void. We broadcast Earth's location dozens of light years away. We even placed our DNA, our appearance, and our greetings on a golden record and sent it out of the solar system. It's like a naive child running through a silent forest, waving a torch, unaware that the ones who set fires in such a place are rarely the hunters. Fourth possibility, the zoo hypothesis. Earth is not being ignored. It may already be under observation. Advanced civilizations may have an agreement. Do not interfere with emerging species. Intervention could permanently distort their development. To them, Earth might be a designated nature preserve. We are observed through methods we cannot detect. The disturbing implication is that we are not considered eligible to communicate. We are not even considered ready to know what the universe truly is. Humanity may be enclosed behind an invisible barrier, unaware we are being monitored. Despite these possibilities, humanity has continued revealing itself. In 1974, scientists enthusiastically transmitted the Arecibo message toward the globular cluster M13, 25,000 light-years away. It contained information about human DNA, Earth's location, and the structure of our solar system. Then, in 1977, NASA engraved humanity's profile onto a golden record and launched it aboard Voyager 1 and 2 into deep space. And all of this is only the beginning. For 100 years, Earth has been unintentionally leaking signals. Every television tower, every radar station, every cell tower, all of them broadcast electromagnetic waves into space. These waves have expanded outward at the speed of light, forming an invisible bubble roughly 100 light-years wide. Within that bubble are more than 5,000 stars. If any one of them hosts an advanced civilization, what would they think of this noisy little planet? Would they see us as a potential threat? Would they choose to eliminate us? You might argue that advanced civilizations should be peaceful. But evolution doesn't reward gentleness. It rewards survival. On Earth, species that were too gentle vanished. Even the dinosaurs ruled for 160 million years and still went extinct. In the universe, kindness is a luxury. Survival is the priority. But perhaps we shouldn't worry too much. Even if an alien civilization wanted to reach Earth, finding us would be extraordinarily difficult. Interstellar navigation is nothing like a GPS. Even with hypothetical wormhole technology, arriving at the exact coordinates of Earth would be nearly impossible. There is no universal cosmic coordinate system. The solar system itself is not stationary. It orbits the Milky Way at around 220 kilometers per second. And the Milky Way is moving at nearly 600 kilometers per second toward a mysterious gravitational anomaly known as the Great Attractor. Meanwhile, the universe continues to expand, stretching the distances between galaxies. Even if aliens calculated Earth's position today, by the time they arrived, Earth would have drifted billions of kilometers away. Light from Earth is also distorted as it travels across space. Dark matter and large-scale gravitational fields subtly stretch and bend the path of photons. By the time the signal reaches their telescopes, it may look nothing like the original. Gravitational lensing could create ghost images, making Earth appear to be in several places at once. A civilization that misunderstands these distortions might chase illusions instead of the real planet. With so many layers of interference, even locating the Milky Way might be one of the greatest challenges for a spacefaring species. Perhaps someday, when we finally receive an answer from the distant cosmos, we will realize that the civilization responding to us struggled with the same fears and uncertainties that haunt us now. And yet, despite everything, they chose to reach out. To build a bridge across the unknown.